Another one of the propagandists that contributed to all of that stuff we just watched is back, and he's hating on one of our congresswomen, Marjorie Taylor Greene. Apparently he don't like her warming up to Kevin McCarthy because he says that I don't like that friendship and stuff. So let's see what MSNBC Chris Hayes has to say about it. All right. Before we get to this video, make sure you hit like, share my videos, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, make sure that your notifications are on and they're set to all. Now, let's get into this. But first, quick commercial break. Noble Gold Investments is pleased to let you know that gold is the best investment class for 2022. According to longtermtrends.net, gold has actually outperformed the S&P 500, Dow, and Bitcoin for 2022. So, what are you waiting for? Open a gold IRA or a silver IRA with Noble Gold Investments this month and receive a free 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle coin with every qualified IRA of $50,000. You can't go wrong with Noble Gold and their thousands of 5-star reviews. Visit noblegoldinvestments.com or you can simply call them at 877-646-5347.
Good evening from New York. I'm Chris Hayes. Today, you may have noticed an interesting pairing among them, the new Speaker, Kevin McCarthy, and Georgia Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene. This duo has been spending a lot of time together since the very first day of this Congress when we saw Congresswoman Greene acting as one of McCarthy's lieutenants, mostly unsuccessfully whipping votes. Marjorie Taylor Greene has been trying to rebrand herself. Marjorie Taylor Greene no longer wants to be known as the person who did and said all that. Rather, as a member in good standing of the new Republican House majority. And guess what? Kevin McCarthy is helping her with that.
What the heck was that? Did y'all hear? Maybe it was just me. Did y'all hear something? Hold on. We better listen again. Because Chris Hayes was in the middle of his sermonette, and I heard, so maybe it was a hiccup. I don't know. Let's see it slow it down. See if we can isolate the sound.
McCarthy is helping her. He is helping her. McCarthy is helping her.
What? I'm scared. Y'all, did y'all hear that? McCarthy. I mean, what is he speaking? One of them African language. Was that a click? Did I just hear a click come out of that man? Does that man have a bullfrog in his throat? Did he decide in the middle of his statement to go beatboxing on us? Hold up. Let's see if we can figure that out, man. Okay, so let me see. He was doing good, and then
Marjorie Taylor Greene no longer wants to be known as the person who did and said all that. Rather, as a member in good standing of the new Republican House majority. And guess what? Kevin McCarthy is helping her with that. What? McCarthy is helping.
I can't get over that. The whole rest of his speech means nothing to me. I got to get to the bottom of that, and I need to find out what's going on with that. Yeah, that was a malfunction right there. Something just broke, and he knows it. He knows it. That right there is for our pleasures for the rest of eternity on the internet. Let's hear it again, like music to my ears.
McCarthy is helping her. He is helping her. McCarthy is helping her.
McCarthy is helping her. Some demons coming out of him.
Extensive new reporting about the ironclad bond McCarthy has developed with Greene, an unlikely ally in his battle for political survival. They describe it as a relationship born of political expediency, but fueled by genuine camaraderie. That's sweet. In an interview, McCarthy described what he likes so much about his colleagues, saying, quote, "If you're going to be in a fight, you want Marjorie in your foxhole. If she picks a fight, she's going to fight until the fight's over."
That's true.
She reminds me of my friends from high school. We're going to stick together all the way through.
Now, see, I got a feeling Chris Hayes don't like this relationship. Okay, now they done finally reined in Kevin McCarthy to a degree. We're going to see how it all works, but we've been seeing some positive things come out. So it appears that there were many Republicans stood their ground. They got what they wanted. Marjorie Taylor Greene now is going to be on some committees, and you know she's going to wreak havoc. So the goal is to come out there and attack her and say, all right, this was the crazy one, and now she's trying to trick you guys. Now, to me, nothing she did or said was crazy. They're telling us that her, Matt Gaetz, or anybody who didn't buy into the J6 narrative that Trump launched an insurrection, are the crazy far extreme part of the Republican Party. And I'm saying, no, that's the part of the Republican Party I like. I like it like that. I like them rowdy like that. I like them not wanting to let Democrats have their way. I like it when they go after corruption and they expose that stuff, which we're about to find out later why he don't want people like Marjorie Taylor Greene on any committee, why his job is to come out and undercut her. We're about to find out why he launched that hit piece. But first, I need to find out what that hiccup was.
Has come to regard the Georgia Congresswoman as a vital proxy for the desires and demands of the right-wing base that increasingly drives his party. They describe it as a relationship born of political expediency, but fueled by genuine camaraderie. That's sweet. In an interview, McCarthy described what he likes so much about his colleagues, saying, quote, "If you're going to be in a fight, you want Marjorie in your foxhole. When she picks a fight, she's going to fight until the fight's over. She reminds me of my friends from high school. That we're going to stick together all the way through." It's come to regard the Georgia congresswoman as a vital proxy for the desires and demands of the right-wing base that increasingly drives his party. The New York Times has extensive new reporting about the ironclad bond McCarthy has developed with Greene, an unlikely ally in his battle for political survival. McCarthy is helping her. McCarthy is helping her. McCarthy is helping her. McCarthy is helping her.
McCarthy is helping her.
Man, I will never get over that. McCarthy is helping. Man, I need to write him. Chris Hayes, I was watching your show and you sound like the devil was coming out of your stomach. Could you elaborate on that crazy sound that I heard? Because I can't sleep at night. Wondering what was that? Enter. That's what I need to do. God bless you. God bless America. Don't forget to hit that like button, share my videos, find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those good things. And please check out Extreme Teas, my sponsor. If you like their products, please click on the link below this video. Put Kevin in a promo code. You'll get a 20% discount. If you'd like to donate to Kevin's Corner, feel free. The links are below this video. If you want to be a part of my $2 a month club, also feel free to do that. All it entails is you simply dropping $2 a month into one of those links below the video. Or if you want, you can drop a nice big fat lump sum in there to offset the stuff that we know goes on with big tech. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure that you are still subscribed. And finally, set your notification button to all, because YouTube is playing games, y'all. Now, God bless you. God bless America. See y'all next time in Kevin's Corner.